welcome back to Humble Acres. As you can see, we're finally getting our first real snowstorm. This is actually only about half of it. We're supposed to get 6 to 10 inches, which is actually a pretty decent amount. The temperature right now is like 34 degrees Fahrenheit. This is really wet snow, so a snowblower would be kind of a pain in the butt in this right now. So you can see I always do this. I always scoop all of this away from the house a little bit, because this is actually the driveway right here. So I need to get this out away from the steps so I don't hit it with the plow. The nice thing that I set up with my tractor in that garage out there that we put up is on my phone I can pull down, and if you could see this right here, it says garage tractor and it's an outlet. So from my house I can turn that outlet on and it turns the block heater on my tractor out in the garage. So I don't have to go out there and plug it in, which a lot of you are probably going to say it's 34 degrees Fahrenheit, you don't need your block heater. And yeah, you're correct, I don't need it. I think in the manual it actually says below, like 14 below or something is when you're actually supposed to use it. But my philosophy is warming up the engine prior to starting it when it's cold out, it's not going to hurt anything. So I just did it. It's been on for like an hour now. It's not going to use that much electricity. I'm okay with it. So let's get out there and see how it starts. So right here you can see this little outlet that I have plugged in. And yeah, it just uses Wi-Fi. And I had to extend my Wi-Fi network out here because the signal was too weak. So I have a Wi-Fi antenna here now and a wireless bridge and all that stuff. But yeah, so that's what it's plugged into. And it goes over to the tractor here. And it's plugged into the little block heater in there. And to turn off my little outlet, I just click that and now it's off. So the way I've been doing this is I have been letting this sit here until the temperature gauge gets to the first little mark on there. I figured that'll be plenty warm to start moving it and doing stuff, so we'll wait until that happens. Alright, it looks like we are at the minimum mark on there, so I'm going to call that good. So we will lift the rear blade. I have this blade on here for added weight, and it is really good for scraping. And then we'll raise the plow. Up there. We should be good to go. Well, I can definitely say this works better than the Ford did. This is very wet snow and it's very, very heavy, and there's no way my Ford could have actually pulled that. It would have been a lot of wheel spin and stuff. There is some ice underneath this. It's fairly slippery, but having the four-wheel drive definitely helps. And the rear blade's nice for getting in certain areas that the front can't. I don't like back dragging with the front blade. It just doesn't work that great, especially with this heavy of snow. It tends to just come up and over it. But I need to do, I probably am going to go down the rest of the road, and then, yeah, I'll probably be done. So hopefully you enjoyed this. The plow's working great. And yeah, I did get this stuff on here to keep the hose from wearing through too, so that's good. But yeah, it's working good. I'd still like to make it so I can go both directions, but I might not be able to get that to work. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.